One killed, 8 injured during shooting at wake for entertainer Christopher Martin's grandmother. TikToker Wakidon charged with murder. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A brutal attack at a wake in Kojo Hill, St. Catherine, early Wednesday morning has left 1 man dead and 8 others injured. The wake was being held in honor of the late grandmother of entertainer Christopher Martin when 2 gunmen struck. The incident occurred around 12:40 a.m. as the gunmen walked down a dirt road towards the house where several people were gathered. Without warning, they opened fire indiscriminately, sending mourners scrambling for cover. Among the victims was 34-year-old O'Neill Spencer of Point Hill, who initially escaped the first round of gunfire. Unfortunately, as he attempted to leave his hiding spot and make his way home, he was ambushed and fatally shot. Spencer was pronounced dead at hospital. 8 other attendees were injured in the attack, with 2 reported to be in critical condition. 1 person was treated and released. The St. Catherine North Police are investigating the incident but have not yet determined a motive for the shooting. The community remains on edge as authorities work to apprehend those responsible for the killing. 19-year-old TikToker content creator Tevin Gale, otherwise known as Wakidon, of Coke Street, Savannah Lamar in Westmoreland, has been charged with murder. He has been charged in relation to the stabbing death of 18-year-old Devontae Hutchinson, otherwise called Bolt, on August 16. Reports are that about 11:30 p.m., Hutchinson and Gale were having a physical altercation arising from an earlier incident with one of Hutchinson's relatives, during which Gale ran away to escape injury. However, Gale later returned to attack Hutchinson, during which he inflicted stab wounds to Hutchinson's left side, right arm, and right lower back before escaping on foot. The police were called on the scene after residents saw Gale running from the scene. Hutchinson was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead while undergoing treatment. On Saturday, Gale turned himself in to the police in the presence of his attorney. He was subsequently charged on Tuesday after a question and answer session.